question which we did. That one. In this question, only a cone and cylinder. Cone and cylinder in which height is h and radius is r. Height is h. The complete height is h. Radius is r. Radius is r. जी बच्चों, the solid above consists of a cone with the base radius r centimeter and top of a cylinder of radius r centimeter. The height of the cylinder is twice the height of the cone. Height of the cylinder is twice the height of the cone. Let us suppose the height of cone is h. Then what is the height of cylinder? 2h. Shabash. 2h. Okay. Find an expression in terms of pi, r, and h for the volume of this solid. Volume of this solid. Yes, please. Volume of cone. Volume of cone is 1/3 by r square small h. Small h. And plus volume of cylinder is pi r square 2h. Yes. Yeah. 2h. Don't you? So in terms of capital H, you have to give the answer in terms of capital H. 1/3. Now what is pi r square h plus 2 pi r square h? Can we simplify that? Yes. Yes, we can simplify by taking the LCM. So it is pi r square h plus 3 2s are 6 pi r square h. Total is 7 pi r square h upon 3 is the volume. It is the volume. Is it in terms of capital H? Say yes or no. Yes. Chaji. अच्छा बच्चों, it is not in terms of capital H. It is in terms of small h. अच्छा जी, it is the height of the cone. It is the height of the cone. H, small h is the height of the cone. अच्छा बच्चों, h is divided into 3 equal parts. Capital H divided into 3 equal parts. If one part is the height of the cone, then 2 parts is the height of 2h. It is 1:2. Now total parts are 3. Shabash. So what is the height of cone? What is the height of cone in terms of capital H? In terms of capital H, 1/3 of 1/3 of h. Okay. Yes, sir. Now what is small h? 1/3 of h. 1/3 of. So multiply 3 sir. 7/9 pi r square capital H volume. At the end, please, इसको भी small h रहने दो. Small h, then small h equals to 1/3 of capital H. Put. So you will get your answer.
End पे put करना है.
End पे put करो. It's easy.
Sir, LCM आपने कैसे लिया हो?
Oh यार, it is 1/3 मतलब over 3 over 1
Yes, sir.
ठीक है तो 3 is the LCM ये 1 आ गया 3 2s are got it it is the Ajib-o-Gharib question
तो एलसीएम के बाद
volume of cone 1/3 pi
small
no small h 1/3 of h 1/3 of h is the volume of the cone
कैसे
so given in the question height of cone height of cylinder is double the height of cone height of cylinder is double the height of cone okay now what is the height of cylinder pi r square into
2h
2 by 3h 2 by 3h height को divide करो into 3 equal parts so height of cone is 1/3 of h and height of cylinder is 2/3 of h it is another way that will be fine for Abdullah complicated na 1/9 pi r square capital H plus 2 by 3 pi r square capital now take the LCM what will be the LCM 9 is the LCM okay 9 is the LCM it will be equal to pi r square H plus 3 2s are 6 6 here 6 3 multiplied pi r square H 6 plus 1 7 square capital H over in terms of it is another way ठीक है स्ट्रेट एज की तरफ पहला कदम now another different question a cone it is a cone ठीक है जी shape of the cone in diagram 1 12 and 9 is given 12 is the height given 9 is the base given what is said diagram 1 shows a solid cone so diagram 1 shows
solid cone.
it is a solid cone solid cone volume and surface area volume and surface area now bachcho Hussain what is the volume of the cone 1/3 pi what is radius r square h 3 1 3 4 9 का square 81 into volume by the surface area of cone L shabash where is L क्या बात excellent sir Use the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras. Such in 9 square plus 12 square under root equals to slant height.
15.
Excellent. 15 is the slant height. Now, what is surface area? Solid. It is a solid. Stands up. So, solid is given in the question. तो क्या करूं? Pi R L plus
Pi square.
हाँ जी, why we add this pi r square area of circle? He said calculate the surface area and it is a solid cone. The solid cone consists of two parts. One is curved surface area and the other one is circle. So circle plus curved surface area. Pi, what is R? 9. What is L? 15. Plus pi, what is radius? So,
978.8.
G?
978.8.
978.8 centimeter square. And what is volume?
1017.9.
Centimeter cube. Volume. वो भी 4 mark का question था और ये 5 6 वो ज्यादा मुश्किल 4 mark था इसके 6 अच्छा जी next is diagram number 2
Surface area 678.
678
जी.
thank you जी thank you शाबाश 678 when he uses the word similar, then we will apply A1 over A2 equals to L1 over L2 whole square, V1 over V2 equals to L1 over L2 whole cube for volume. हाँ जी, Paresh. Now, the second part of this question, it is a solid cone. So solid cone extended. जी भाई. If I cut this, please look at the board. If I cut this cone, I will get these two shapes.
Yes, sir.
Yes or not?
Yes.
Yes. What is this shape is called? First round. Okay. Please. Number one. Calculate the whole volume. We have already calculated.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है जी? Then we will subtract the volume of this cone, the smaller one, which is similar to this cone.
Yes.
If I subtract the volume, then we will get the volume of this. Question. The cone in diagram 1 is cut parallel to the base. to obtain a small cone shown in the diagram 2 and frustum कहाँ गया? Frustum, not trum. Frustum.
Sir, what's the question number?
It is question number 8. Question number 8. Diagram 1. It is diagram 1, diagram 2, and diagram 3. These are the 3 diagrams given in this question. Because I'm talking about B part. Achha. Why is the center of the base of the small cone of radius 3 centimeter? Radius of smaller cone is 3 centimeter. And what is the radius of this larger cone in diagram 1? It is 9. What is height? 12 and 15. ठीक हो गया? So we can find the volume of this one smaller cone. V1 over equals to L1 over whole. 9 and 3 is given. What is the volume of the larger cone? Smaller cone volume V1. What is the larger cone's volume? Abhi last find kiya hai. What is that?
1017.
17.9. 1018. 3 over 9 whole cube for volume. For volume, it will be centimeter cube. Centimeter.
सर ये वैसे भी 345 वाला बन जाएगा कि अगर हम वहां पर लिख दें कि 345 वाला ट्रायंगल बन रहा है तो फिर क्या सही हो जाएगा मेरा आंसर?
जी बेटा बताइए। अच्छा तो 3 1 3 3 3 का 9 cancel out. 3 1 3 3 3 का 9. So 3 raised by 3 equals to 1 over 27. 1 over 27. Can I erase that? Yes. So V1 over 1018 equals to 1 over 27. Yes, sir. So what is the volume of smaller cone? Tell me, move to this side. V1 equals 1018 upon. You will get the answer.
37.69.
37.69 centimeter. Now, what is the volume of frustum? What is the volume of frustum?
सर वो हम नहीं कर सकते हैं.
Volume of frustum.
So take the volume of the
37.69.
We'll minus it from 1000.
the whole cone.
The whole cone. Volume of. So volume of frustum equals to. The total volume is 1018 minus 37.69. We will get the volume of frustum.
980.31.
980. 9. It is the last part. Last. ये मेरी फोन है कैसे यूं कर देते हैं तो सीधी तो होनी चाहिए Achha, sir, the shape is like this. It is a kind of trophy. The diagram shows A and B. This portion is removed. G by 15 and 60. 15. Radius is 15 centimeter. Angle is 60 degrees.
So कौन सा क्वेश्चन नंबर है?
20. जो अजीब diagrams हैं, I'm attempting those questions with the अजीब diagrams.
So 60 over 360 into pi r square. Sector का लग जाएगा। आज निकाल ली ना इस क्वेश्चन इस क्वेश्चन में आर्क निकाल ली
अभी मैं क्वेश्चन पढ़ The diagram shows a major sector of a circle with center O and radius 15 centimeter. It is the major sector, major with angle 300. Okay, and it is not a sector, it is a triangle. Which one? O, A, B is a triangle. It consists of two diagrams. One is a sector, which is the bigger one. That's why he said major sector. It is called minor sector and it is called major sector. The dotted one called major sector and it is called minor sector. If the angle is less than 180, less than 180. So angle is greater than 180. Major sector. Actually, please can you find the area of this diagram? Yes, I can. Area of this shape. Anji, shape is consist of sector and triangle. Area. Area of this shape is equals to sector plus
triangle.
triangle. What is sector? X upon 360 into pi r square plus half AB sine C. Area of triangle. AB and sine C. AB is the two sides, this side and this side, and angle between them. Area of triangle. Area of triangle. This side, and angle between them. Because it is not a right angle triangle. You will put half base into height. Half base into height is the area of right angle triangle. It is not a right angle triangle. That's why area of triangle is half AB sine C. Now 60 upon 360. Pi radius is 15 square plus half. This side is 15. This side is 15, and it is also 15 because the radius, because of the radius. 15 into 15 sine 60. One over 6 into pi into double 25 plus 1 by 2 into double 25 sine 60 0.866.
So area of triangle is 97.4.
97.42 and area of
फिर x60 क्यों है?
60.
17.8
Oye. Ya Allah. Blunder. 300. Sorry. 300. 30 upon 36. Sorry. 300. 589.12. Add these two. So area of
686.5.
जी sir
686.5.
686.5 centimeter square. The perimeter of major segment. Only the perimeter of major segment, not the shape. Perimeter of the major segment. So perimeter is from this side. (15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15). It is the perimeter of major segment. So perimeter of major segment is 15 plus 15 plus x over 360 into 2 pi r, length of arc. So 30 plus.
ये perimeter दोबारा बता सकते हैं?
Yeah, perimeter is outline of the major segment. Outline is length of arc.
Yes, sir.
Plus radius. 15 plus radius plus length of arc. It is the formula of length of arc. Into 3.142. Radius is 15.
108.55.
Total answer
Yes.
10.55 centimeter square is the surface area. Oh, sorry. Perimeter, yeah. Perimeter. Around, excellent. Six months.
सही फ्राइडे को टेस्ट होगा
इंशाल्लाह इस फ्राइडे को मैं टेस्ट लूंगा
86.
बट मैं खुद आऊंगा ठीक है मैं खुद आऊंगा
Okay, लेकिन
इन माय प्रेजेंस
फिर किसका टेस्ट होगा इसका
किसका कितना पढ़ लिया हमने कौन से टॉपिक्स पढ़ लिए मेंसुरेशन प्लस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन वेक्टर्स पैटर्न graphical solution of equations वही graphs in practical situation good
So graphs and practical solutions are वो kinematics.
kinematics simple
3 times yours.
okay बच्चों thank you very much for your cooperation
Allah Hafiz.
thank you जी Allah हाफिज